They don't have any work, they don't have any place to stay, they don't have food to eat, they don't have money to spend. So our central government decided to make shelters for them in every state.
So we discussed something that we should do something for the people, for these daily wagers who are stranded there at a shelter home, had nowhere to go until the lockdown is over. Since then, every single day we are going there, all the rovers and rangers of our group, giving them the services. And they are currently, I mean, as of now, we are like a family to them.
First, we started with fun activities. Then gradually we started teaching them the mathematical things like addition, subtraction, and after that English classes, like we taught them the alphabet A, B, C, D and everything. And after that, what we are doing now, we are telling them every important thing about India. We are telling them.
So we had a proper session where financial management and funds was discussed. And a day before yesterday, we also had a session with the adults where they were taught personality development, what is ego, and what is the difference between ego and attitude, what is positive thinking. Faces are covered with a mask and we are using surgical gloves. The activities that we are doing with them, with the kids or the elders, we make sure that social distancing and physical distancing is always maintained.
They are happy we are go there. They wait for us. Even the children, they don't want to leave us back for the home. They are happy. They are very much happy.
So what initiated by us, Ramjas Scout Group, is now being adopted all over the nation, and that is a very big thing for us.
Our motto is be prepared for service. So this is the best time we can serve. We can serve the nation, we can serve the world, and we can serve towards the God.
See, the doctors are doing their duties, the policemen are doing their duties all over the world. We as a scout, what is our responsibility? This is the real service, I think. Helping out people that don't even know what scouting is, but they do understand that they are some good people who are taking care of their kids, taking care of them.
It feels great. It feels like I have a family of 124 other people with me.